how you can stop your app store from asking password every time you download an app. So before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So yeah, when you try to download an app from your app store and it asks for a password each and every time, it can get quite annoying. So in this video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix that. So the first step is go to your settings. After you are on your settings, scroll down till you find screen time. Go to screen time and scroll down again. Now there you will see under the restrictions option, content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and now here you will see iTunes and App Store purchases, allowed apps and features, and different options right there. Just go to iTunes and App Store purchases. So right here you might have seen this require password section. In your case, this is selected right here, always require. Just select do not require, and after you've done that, you can just go back and turn this content and privacy restrictions off if you like, but you can turn it on. And after you do that, you can just go back, wait for a bit, and go to your app store again and try to download any apps. So yeah, this will basically fix your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye.